Hi, I'm Kevin Phillips with Keller Williams Realty. Now that you have made the decision to sell your property, selecting the right realtor to market your property is probably the single most important choice you'll make. Ultimately, the agent you select will determine if your property sells and at what price. As a marketing specialist, I pride myself on showcasing all of the elements of every property I take to the market. What will probably surprise you is the fact that whether we are in a good market, bad market, or an average market, 90% of all real estate sold in North America is still being sold by the top 10% of all agents. I'd like to show you how working with a professional like me will help make the sale of your property a very smooth and stress-free experience. Buyers continue to become more sophisticated and knowledgeable about the current market. I understand that marketing a property the correct way has become the driving force behind selling any property for top dollar. With technology, we have many marketing avenues. For example, there's Facebook, Google, Google+, Zillow, Trulia, Realtor.com, Craigslist, and many more websites, media pages, and search engines available. When asked specific financing or technical questions about your property, you'll need a real estate professional that has the knowledge and experience to handle the situation fast. Buying a home is an emotional decision. Delays in obtaining the right information can cost you a sale if not handled professionally. There are many complex issues that will need to be addressed properly and with a sense of urgency. I take the most aggressive approach to marketing and selling properties. My reputation on selling properties fast and for top dollar is no accident. I pride myself with staying on the cutting edge of technology and staying abreast of an ever-changing marketplace. I know what it takes to convince buyers that your property is, in fact, the best value in the marketplace. It is critical that you feel comfortable and confident with my knowledge prior to hiring me. I welcome the opportunity to meet with you personally to answer any questions you may have concerning my marketing plan for your property. Again, my name is Kevin Phillips, and I look forward to meeting you and adding your name to my list of very satisfied clients.